Good afternoon. Today I'm fishing at South Holston Lake. I'm at the boat ramp just across from Knob, and I'm going to hop a few of these spots while the water's kind of down still. Yeah, let's see what we can do today. There we go. Looks like a little one. Yeah, it's a small one. Nice. Yeah. Pretty though. See, oh, wrong way. There he goes. There we go. Stay down. Little one. That was fun. We'll see you, buddy. Come on, buddy. There we go. Ooh. Not too bad. We'll see you, buddy. Shaking going on. Don't do that, buddy. Get over here on the flat. What's a bacon? Hey, buddy. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a nice bass. You go, bud. Got that all wrapped around you. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and call it a day here. Caught a bunch of fish, had a good time. If you had a good time with me, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Put out new fishing videos every Sunday. And if you would, I put a bunch of videos on the end screen if you want to check them out and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.